This is our automatic can sealing machine. This machine is for sealing diameter 99 mm tin cans. Now, let me introduce our automatic can sealing machines. Each part, we can see this one is the touch screen. In the touch screen, we can select the language. Now, this one is the lip feeding device. We put the lip here, that the lip auto to the can. When the can to the conveyor, it auto to the can. And this is the sensor. This is the turntable origin sensors. This is small can cylinder, and this is also the sensors. This is the seaming roller, and the whole one is the seaming head. Now we can see the seaming rollers. The narrow one is the first roller. Now we can see the roller. The glass is narrow. It's the first operation roller. And we can see this one, the glass is wide. It's second operation roller. The seaming head have two first seaming roller and two places second seaming roller. The white part is the turntable. And now we can see this one is for can height adjustment reference. If we have the same can diameter but have different can height, we can put the can here and adjust the height. How to adjust it? It just need to loose split screw 1, 2, and 3. Loose split screw and then adjust the wheel. If we want to the height adjustments higher, then we can roll the wheel up or down until the can edge, that this part touch the can edge. That is the correct can height. Now, have finished to introduce the machines.